Hey, it's Steve coming back at you. Today I want to talk about a new company we've started called 199roofrepair.com. That's right, you've asked for an affordable roof repair service that can get in and get out and solve your roof problem. That's right, most roofers do not want to do roof repairs. When they come to your house, they want to sell you a new roof. Bigger the job, more money, more profit. They don't want to do those small repairs. And I know a whole bunch of you in the last 9 months, since July 8th, since Hurricane Beryl flew through Houston, I know an awful lot of you out there have roof damage that you cannot get the insurance company to even think about fixing for you. I mean, I'm talking about roof damage that is smaller, less money than your $5,000, $10,000 deductible. That's right. Roof deductibles are going through the roof. That's right. They're going up, up, up. Who in the world could have thought that 5 or 10 years ago that roof deductible that was $200 or $500 is now $5,000 or $10,000 deductible out of your pocket before the roof insurance even kicks in? So what I want you to do right now, I want you to go to 199roofrepair.com and read our website and how we guarantee the roof will not get leaks for 5 full years, and years let down the road, I'm talking about 5, 7 years, 10 years down the road, if you ever need a new roof put on your house, I personally am going to give you back 100% of the roof repair money that you pay for us to repair the roof today. How in the world can I do that? You know, we are the only roofers that want to give you back money. Most roofers only want to take your money and they don't want to give it back to you years later when you need a big roof repair, roof replacement. That's right. So let me explain this one more time. 5-year leak-free guarantee. No roofer's going to guarantee your roof for 5 full years that it's not going to get a leak, except for me. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you back the repair money if you ever hire us to put a new roof on that house. That makes the roof repair, well, I can't really say it's free, but it's almost free. It's almost as close to free roof repair as I can get, okay? Free roof repair if you ever call us to put a new roof on your house. Call us today. That's going to be 199roofrepair.com. And our phone number is 844-LEAK, L-E-A-K, 199. Call me today. Let us come out and give you a free estimate of how we can improve your roof's condition. Fix the roof, replace the shingles, fix a leak, whatever we can do to turn your roof into a longer lasting life expectancy, okay? Call us today, 199roofrepair.com. Thank you.